Alright, be careful. In the play? Huh? Papa's going now. You're full? Hold na.
You like my fart? It smells good, right? It's like the best fart. It smells like perfume.
Let's eat Kenny Rogers next time, Papa.
No, Papa, let's go to Bangkok.
And let Carter wash
Take
dishes.
out.
Because we don't have money to pay for Kenny Rogers.
Take out.
You know, I love to eat Filipino food. Like lauoy and fish, my favorite food. Carter, you know the wak-wak will come.
No. What is that? It just farted again. It was not me. I farted like a minute ago.
Carter, don't make that noise like wak-wak, because the wak-wak will come to you. Touch your... What happened? That's Carter.
That smells different than my fart. Promise to God that.
Don't say word.
Right, Papa? I said that.
A good time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Overtaking run. Ooh. One is the loneliest number one.
Would you buy a jet?
Can you sing that song, Papa?
One is the loneliest diamond that I ever
Why Mama said you're a bad singer, but why Mama wants to hear it?
Then what else, Papa?
Who can be as bad as one when the number one sucks my balls?